Okay. 1, 2, 1, 2. Quarter notes go now. 1, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1. I like this one. 1. Find yourself a drummer or a drum machine. You can play along with any drum groove. I think I tripped there a little bit. Sorry about that. Quarter notes are quarter notes. 1, 2, 3, 4. Quarter notes are quarter notes. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Regardless of the groove that we hear, a quarter note's a quarter note. Gets one beat. So when we have the beat, 1, 2, 3. When we have that beat, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. We're just strumming right on top of it. So if we're in our little band here, or a big band, we're playing along together right now. And let's wrap it up. 1, 2, 3, 4, whammo.